Hi, my name is Cindy, aka Z9designs. So sit back, hey, don't touch that dial, and enjoy. DIY number 1, Plaster of Paris tea light holder. I wanted to try something beautiful that reminded me of Paris. Supplies needed include plaster of Paris, tea light, gold spray paint, black acrylic paint, a balloon, and Mod Podge. About 2 cups of plaster of Paris was mixed with a cup of water. Maybe a little bit more water because you need it to be a smooth consistency. The mixture was poured into a water bottle. And then I blew up a balloon. I poured the mixture into the balloon and then the magic began. Now, this whole process I kind of struggle with, but hey, I got it done. I rolled the mixture around inside the balloon until it was firm. And once I assumed that there wasn't any more plaster of Paris to be rolling around or floating around in there, I let it sit for about 30 minutes, and then I popped the balloon and removed the bowl. While it dried overnight, I got my gold paint and acrylic paint ready. In the morning, I took it out and sprayed the inside of the bowl gold. It is going to look gorgeous as it reflects the glow from the tea light. The outside was painted a matte black and topped off with Mod Podge and let it dry. I did go around the edges with a little bit of gold where the black had kind of obliterated it so you couldn't see it. And then I dropped the tea light into the middle of the bowl, and what a transformation. Especially in the fall, it is going to look fantastic because, you know, the evenings are a little bit dark. And I think this is so romantic, like Paris. Let me know what you think. Budget to Beautiful is a collaboration that takes you from cheap to chic. And it's hosted by Craft Along with Jay and Touch by Time Atelier. These are such sweet women who want to see you succeed. So be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and save. The link to their channels is in the description box below. There are others like me that will be participating, so make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and save. The link to the playlist is in the description box below. DIY number 2, Plaster of Paris candlesticks. Since fall is my favorite time of the year, I decided to make some unique candlesticks from Plaster of Paris. The supplies needed include plaster of Paris, a candlestick mold, candles, terracotta acrylic paint, and Mod Podge. I'm getting ready for my fall tablescape and decor. I decided to make some unique candlesticks from Plaster of Paris. Now, don't come for me because I will also make some items from white casting resin, but this one is all about Plaster of Paris. I mixed the Plaster of Paris with water and poured it into this unique candle mold. The wait time is about 30 minutes before I demolded the candlestick. It came out really nice, but you can't just do something with it right away. It needs to cure for about 24 hours. And once it was dry, I began the painting process. And again, like I said, hey, fall is coming whether you want it to or not. And I thought terracotta would be a good fall color. but I can change it at any time. The candle was added, and it will look awesome on a fall tablescape or entry table or wherever else you like to put it. What color would you paint it? DIY number 3, Plaster of Paris trinket tray. The supplies needed include plaster of Paris, tissue paper, rub-on transfer, Mod Podge, sage green acrylic paint, and triple thick gloss spray paint. This trinket tray will be in a giveaway. All you need to do if you live in the US is to comment and leave a fruit emoji. Of course, you mix the plaster of Paris and pour it into the mold. And you let it set for 30 minutes and demold. Let it sit overnight and then begin the painting process. I decided to paint it sage green. Then I thought it needed some sprucing up. So I had some green leafy tissue paper. I pushed the paper around the center of the tray, and then I took scissors and cut out the circle. I used Mod Podge to adhere it to the center. But it still needed a little something, so I added a cherry and cherry blossom to the middle, and it was just the spark it needed. Finally, I sprayed some of that triple thick gloss glaze spray, and it is so hot here that it will be dry in a very short time. For a little extra, I also had a bowl tray for ice, but I used it to make place cards for fall tablescape. I used plaster of Paris and water. Mix thoroughly, pour it into the mold, and hey, just like all of the other ones that I've done, I demolded them and painted them bronze. I had a little wire place card holder, and I just pushed that in the top of the bowls. And I put a place card, and it is the grand finale, folks. If you have liked what you've seen, please subscribe, like, save, and comment. Crafting is satisfying, but also can be challenging work. I always enjoy encouraging comments. Also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Threads, and Facebook, and subscribe to those too. Thanks for watching each and every week. I appreciate all of my subscribers. You guys are just fantastic. However, I need to get a few more. And remember, in Psalms 29:11 says, "May the Lord give strength to his people. May the Lord bless his people with peace." Okay, see you later. Bye-bye. Love, Cindy.